Guys, back with your girl Patriana, Sonia, and Remy behind the camera. Say hi, Rem. Alright guys, so we finally got lucky and able to snag a ticket to go inside the Washington Monument, and we are currently 500 feet above the ground and get to see DC at the highest point in the city. And because like actually airplanes can't really fly around DC because it's a restricted airspace, but yeah, it's just so cool to be here. This place was built in 1848 and was completed in 1882, I believe. But yeah, now they finally modernized everything. Put the modern elevator. It was so fast to get up, and just to get the time erase only costs $1 per person. So while you're here, if you're ever here, definitely check out the Washington Monument. They actually closed for years and just reopened recently in October 1st after COVID. But yeah, here we are. I get to see DC 360 for $2. This is the north side where the White House is. Maps. It still exactly looks the same. There you go. The Christmas tree ready to be lit up. All the museums. Alright guys, this is the east side. Hi, how are you? This is the east view of the Capitol, and this is how Washington looks like back then, guys. Look at that. 1800. They give you all the different spots here, which buildings which, and there you go. That's the Capitol Hill.
So this building was already...
Okay, is that a bird poop? Damn.
Yeah.
But yeah, Washington, can you please get our stimulus? Thank you. Here on the west side, guys, look at this. The map. It's the fuse in 1940s. Doesn't change that much, actually. It's just prettier now. There you go. Oh. Okay, guys, look at the reflection pool in Abraham Lincoln Memorial. And that's DC. Oh, I've never seen it from like so high up. It's so cool.
Yeah, Spider-Man was up.
This is the south view, and this is how it looks like. The Thomas Jefferson Memorial back then, and how it is today. Exactly the same, but just now with cars. 4 cars. And that's where the Ronald Reagan Airport in Arlington, Virginia. Okay guys, just so excited to be here. Finally around, we made it. 500 feet above the ground.
I want to take a look at the east side.
In 2011, guys, they have the earthquake damage, so they were closed for a while. Hence why they put the plexiglass around the metal slab that
countries, and one from every U.S. state. Most are made of marble and granite, but many are unique. Michigan stone is made of copper, Alaska's is jade, Arizona's is wood, and Hawaii's is crushed due to lack of funding. When the work resumed, the original quarry in Maryland didn't have enough stone to finish the monument, so the rest came from Massachusetts.
See guys, see this one?
This reflects the change in color visible from the outside. We're almost to the ground level. The doors will open soon. As you exit on your right, check out the graffiti left by Civil War soldiers. Thank you for visiting the Washington.
Alright guys, this is what it looks like inside the Washington Monument. After security, and then you can take photos. Statue of George Washington. Yeah. Check this out. It's really cool. It's like the waiting area for the elevator.
Good.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!